Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Casey and I am a 21-year-old living and working in San Francisco, and this video is yet another what I eat in a week, and it has been a long time since I have filmed one of these because I've been busy with work and all that jazz, and honestly it shows in my food and how I eat. I just have become a lot more lenient in what I eat and going out to eat, and that's okay. I think that my body just currently wants more food, and although I might be gaining a little bit more weight, I'm okay with it because I recognize it's quarantine and people aren't working out as much as they used to and just eating a little bit more unhealthy because of stress or whatever, and that's okay. We're all going through it, and I don't know if I've gained weight. I really don't weigh myself anymore. I just eat intuitively, and I run to feel good, and I lift to feel good, and I just do everything for how I feel and not how I look anymore, and that just shows in what I eat. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and just be kind to yourself and give your body what it needs and what it's craving, because you should listen to your body. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So on Monday, I started off my day with some coffee that I got on Sunday, but it was so sickly sweet that I had to dump half of it out and replace it with black coffee. But I made myself my typical egg scramble, but on a tortilla, and I just scramble everything together. I throw the tortilla on the flame, and I used half an avocado and dressed it up, and then added the egg mixture, and it was delicious. I love tortillas and breakfast foods. It's just a match made in heaven. As for an afternoon snackaroo, I had some chocolate cake that my cousin made, and then after work I went on a run, and you know the vibes, guys. I love running down to the marina and catching the view of the bridge. It's truly so beautiful. Got back from my run, stretched it out. Don't forget the stretch, very important. But then I decided to make some tofu for dinner, so I just have this high protein, extra firm tofu from Trader Joe's. I slice it into cubes, and then I saute it in a pan with just water, just to like steam the tofu and everything. I also made green beans, but I just threw it in water and just sauteed it as well. But as for the toppings on my tofu, I just dress it with coconut aminos and honey, and then everything but the bagel seasoning, because it acts as like an Asian seasoning to me and many. But then that was my dinner: green beans, tofu, and some sriracha. Very delicious. On Tuesday, I skipped out on coffee and just drank water in the morning like I typically do, but I also just had some avocado toast with some egg scramble on the side. My go-to, you already know. I saute the vegan sausage first, and then I add spinach, and then I add eggs and some vegan cheese, and then I smash up the avocado and had the egg on the side, and it was delicious. Delicious. As for an afternoon snack, I had this Simply Nutty bar from Trader Joe's, and it legit tastes like candy. It's so freaking good. And the sweet cravings kept going, and I was bored at work, so I made some gluten-free cookies, and I was waiting, I had some leftover tofu from yesterday, and again, I like my tofu kind of cold. I don't know why. I just ate it cold and it was good, and when the cookies were ready, I had a cookie because I deserve a cookie, and why not? As for dinner, I had this Gardein plant-based chicken noodle soup that I got from Whole Foods, and it was so good. It just tastes exactly like chicken, which I haven't had in like a year, which is insane because almost a year of not eating meat. Hump day. I started my Wednesday morning with some coffee with coconut and almond milk creamer per usual. As for breakfast, it's always a scramble of eggs of some sort, so I just sauteed my spinach, threw on the egg mixture, and then I threw on a tortilla on the top to make the perfect quesadilla with vegan cheese, of course, because your girl is lactose intolerant. And I had this chipotle dipping sauce on the side, which ended up being expired, and I threw it all up later. Sorry. And then I had some of these horseradish chips from Trader Joe's. Not buying those again. They don't taste good at all. And then I ate my leftover tofu in the afternoon because cold tofu is a vibe. And after work, I went on a run, and it kind of went like this. I just left to go on my run, and it's freaking raining. Whatever. Oh my god. It's freaking raining. What the fuck? So I just tried to go on a run, and then it started freaking raining on me really hard. If it was a little drizzle, all good, but it was like full on pouring, and the weather app did not say that was gonna happen, so I'm back. And I'm doing weights. So yeah, I also have, my socks. This is the workout I do, just some arms and some booty. So I'm gonna do this and then maybe some hit. But yeah, my run was a fail. For dinner after my workout, I wanted some protein, so I just had some Greek yogurt with fruit. So I microwaved my frozen strawberries and then smash them until they're this nice syrupy consistency, and then I add the yogurt, the sliced bananas, and then the delicious granola on top, and it was a delicious dinner. Thursday, I got to start work late, so I got dressed and then went on a 5-mile walk in the morning. And then in the afternoon, I really wanted Chipotle all week because of freaking David Dobrik's TikToks. So I got a Chipotle bowl. And my order is a veggie bowl with extra everything except sour cream and cheese because I gotta just keep that light. And of course I finished my whole bowl, no shame in the game, y'all. I enjoyed myself greatly. And after a work event that went until 10 p.m., I just ate a tortilla and then I made myself some tea, but I was still hungry, so I had some veggie soup by Gardein again, and it was delicious. Happy Friday! I started my day off with some coffee, and then I made myself some breakfast, which was 2 slices of toast. I wanted one to be savory and I wanted the other one to be sweet, so I made an egg toast and then I made a banana and peanut butter toast, and it was spectacular. And as an afternoon snack, I had a square of dark chocolate and then an Go Macro bar because those are the best. Blissful Daybreak. And then after work I went on a run at sunset, and it was beautiful and blissful, and I just love running. It's the best thing ever. And then for dinner I got nachos, veggie nachos with my friend from back in the day, and it was chill, and it was a good platter of nachos, and I didn't take a picture of them. Saturday I started off my morning with a green smoothie, well, basically a smoothie bowl, because I added bananas and granola and shredded coconut, and it was so freaking good. Then I got a vanilla cream cold brew from Starbucks. I played basketball with my roommates, and then we all went to Sweetgreen and sat at Salesforce Tower and ate the delicious Sweetgreen. I got the fish taco bowl, and it was delicious, and it was a lovely day.
That was cool.
Sunday I went to Costco with my parents, and I didn't eat before I went, so after Costco I picked up these pepper jack crisps and I ate those, and they were really good, and I ate so many of them. They're very protein dense, high calorie, but yeah, it kept me full. And then when I got back to the house I had some fruit. I had a pear, I had a kiwi, and I chilled up my family home for a while, and I had some fish soup, and then I caught the sunset with my best friend Ashlyn, and it was a lovely Sunday. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to treat yourself kindly, treat your body kindly, and just treat everyone with kindness. I think in this world we're living in, we need kindness and love and positivity. So I hope to see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.